What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. Got my boy here, Johnny Deep.
Johnny Deep live in the flesh here.
He's a director, he's the cameraman on my videos or whatever. So, from the comments from my previous video, you guys wanted to see the GTR in like higher velocities, higher speeds, right? Well,
they wanted viral videos. They wanted some viral shit.
So we got you with that, right? So enjoy the clips, okay? We're gonna go on the highway, do some full sends, and show you what the GTR can do, all right?
Let's get to it.
No, you gotta do it like this. Bam. There's 9 maps, 9 being kill mode. So we're in level 2 right now. Oh boy, here we go. My goodness. The speed limit?
I don't know. Yeah. 55.
We did 60 miles an hour there. 0 to 60, but
58.
About 58, you know. Yo, my neck hurt. Yo.
That was map 2. We're going on
That's level 2, bro. Oh my god. Alright, oh my god. Lag launch is not something to play with. Wow. You got charged over here. Bro, even the brakes are good as fuck.
That's lightly applying them.
That's lightly applying them? Yo, I think my tonsils flew out. Bro, I lost my phone in that pool. Like, I don't know what else you want me to say. That's how powerful it is. My phone was in my pocket.
It really was.
It was in my pocket. And after that pool, I searched for it in my pocket. It's gone. Guys, I try to keep the camera as still as I can, but it's just too violent, man. Look, I can't even talk. Damn. Oh, my head. So as I was saying, I try to keep the camera as straight as I can, man, but I can't. Oh, his phone went flying too. You see that the driver's phone went flying too.
Fuck did it actually go underneath it?
Oh my god, yo.
Fuck it. We'll stop.
Yeah, I mean. So yeah, if you ever wonder what it feels like to be in a 1,000+ horsepower GTR, this is it right here. Alright guys, we're back. The beast right now is taking a rest, as you can see. It's cooling down. But I can't even put this thing to words, man. It's crazy. As fast as this thing can go, it can slow down just as fast. It's very vicious. Great performance by the tires. Great performance by the brakes. Great performance overall. So, if you like what you see here, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more content. See you on the next one. Peace.